Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech. Today we want to see how we can install Ubuntu on our VMware workstation or VirtualBox. Doesn't matter that much. So we just come to Google and just write download Ubuntu. The first link that it's here. We come there and you see download file. So I already downloaded that, and so we don't need that. And then you come to your workstation. So you just a new virtual machine. And then next here, exactly. So this one, I think, let me just check, desktop Ubuntu, and next, and I will just change the folder that I want to save into. So I want to do that here in VMware, and virtual machine name Ubuntu is okay. So I'm going to give 50 gigabyte and customizations, so I go a little bit higher, so a little bit more CPU, and that's also and finish here. So we have configured the RAM and setting, RAM and CPU, and now we are going to install the Ubuntu itself. So the first choice, try or install Ubuntu, and then it brings us the welcoming page, so we can start the process of installing the Ubuntu on our VMware workstation. So depends on your system, it takes time. So for me it takes a little bit time. So it's up, and now we say install Ubuntu, language English, okay for us. And then also English, continue here. So this is the configuration of keyboard, and also we will install the third-party software for graphic and Wi-Fi and other things. And we will keep the other settings like this. We just click on continue. So in this step we say erase disk, so because we already specified 50 gigabyte and the whole partition can be used. Install now, and now we install the process of installing your Ubuntu. So this is the partition settings. Okay, you can click on continue, and now Berlin time zone is okay, and my name is Goli, and I will give my password, and they require my password to log in, or log in automatically is also okay, because I'm going to test, I'm going to use this machine as a test. And now the installing process has started. So it takes time, and when it's done I will come back to you. So the installation is done, and now we need to restart the machine. So we just go to restart it, and then our Ubuntu is ready to be used. So now our Ubuntu is booting up, and so I think it's almost done. Just wait for it. As I mentioned, so it depends on your machine, so the speed depends on your machine. So my machine is not really strong, so that's why it takes a little bit time. So our Linux is up, and we installed it, and now if you want to connect your account, you can do it here. And so just don't send system info. So this is depends on you and how you want to do it. So it was it. I hope you enjoyed. So see you later.